First at 6, a new solution to homelessness or one that only makes the problem worse? That's a question being debated at the state capitol.
Tonight, Rachel Louise Just with an ABC15 political team breaking down this new proposal.
The issue of homelessness isn't a secret in Arizona, and you don't have to look far to find someone struggling to find stability while living on the streets.
Floor session is now convened.
In the Arizona House, one lawmaker has a solution, at least to part of the problem.
We certainly have to bring heart to what is a humanitarian crisis, but it's also a public safety crisis.
Republican Matt Gress's new bill penalizes anyone selling or transferring drugs in a homeless service zone. Those are defined as being within 300 feet of a location aimed at helping the homeless, like temporary housing. Gress says he's seen some of those facilities allow guests to use drugs.
So if you have a formal or informal policy of doing that, you're not helping the situation. And we want to make it very clear that you'll be held accountable in a court of law.
The penalty, if caught, would be increased prison time and a minimum $2,000 fine. In Arizona, homelessness has jumped 30% since the pandemic, according to a federal report from last year. Terry Jennings has been working with the homeless since 2005. She's seen the good moments, the bad moments.
Cleaning their wounds, my God, the wounds.
And the very worst ones.
I've had over 15 people die on me in the last 2 years.
She says Gress's proposals would only criminalize homelessness even more.
It's not going to stop anything. You can have all the legislation you want, but it's not going to stop the dealing of drugs.
Gress disagrees.
We're trying to criminalize bad actors who should be helping us with the problem instead of hurting us.
Jennings says real solutions are more long-term, more affordable housing, and shifting how we view those living on the streets, seeing them as humans and not problems.
And a lot of times people just don't care.
Gress's bill would go further than just a drug selling penalty. It would also ban so-called mixed hotels that house the general public and homeless individuals, something that some Valley cities currently use. The bill would also direct the Auditor General to investigate how money is used to address homelessness, and it would move $75 million from a housing trust fund to a homeless shelter and services fund. For ABC 15's political team, I'm Rachel Louise Just.